Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Najwana Jiha binti Haji Azman, and I also have 5 more members, which is Nurul Huda, Nurul Amira, Siti Hadawiyah, Sadatul Umi, and Zulaika Zulkifli. Today, our course want to present about our product, which is the footwear cleaning machines. So, this machine is to help laundry to increase their productivity and efficiency in their service. As you all know, at laundries, it just have a machine for washing the clothes. With this product, it can give more benefits. So next, we continue with Nurul Amira to explain about the issue and problems.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Amira binti Muhammad Hazi. Let's proceed to the problem statement. Okay, according to our company, which is Footwear washing machine, there are some problems that we face. First, this machine will easily to be damaged and clog from the dirt of the shoes. So this machine need to be maintenance frequently. Besides, we also provide this machine for the safe service laundry, which is provide the coin machine to make it work. Some of impatient and fussy customer think it is complicated because they need to provide their own small money. Last but not least, the low income parents will not use this service because they are more willing to wash their own shoes, their children's shoes manually than invest to this service. So the attraction of the customer from the low income group from our company is low. Okay, that's all from me. I will leave it to Siti Hadawiyah to tell about the solution.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Hadawiyah binti Azman. I'm from class 5C. Now I will proceed to the solution of the footwear cleaning machine. Okay, the first solution is the company will provide the maintenance department so it is quickly repaired and no need to wait for the long time. Second solution is the company will provide the change machine from the notes to the coins. So it is fast and reliable way for our customer to exchange the money. Okay, the last solution is for the low income family is able to use this cleaning machine service because the price are reasonable.
What interesting about this product? This product is automated shoes washing, auto stop function which automatically switch off the appliance. Third is high pressure of water flow. Fourth is the optimization design of automatic footwear cleaning machine. Fourth, the reverse design idea. And lastly, have variety of color. So let's go to target customer. So our target customer is for the personal use, shoes manufacturer, hotel agency, and laundry outlet. For example, laundry outlet that provide shoes cleaning service. Generally, we are centering our business at the major city. For example, Kuching, Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru, where we accept there are numerous laundry shop, hotel, and personal usage that might